Hi guys, got a minute? Today we're making the most delicious coffee hazelnut crescents. These cookies are buttery, nutty, and perfectly sweet. The ingredients you'll need are butter, hazelnuts, icing sugar, instant coffee granules, hot water, all-purpose flour, and semi-sweet chocolate. You can use finely chopped hazelnuts or almonds for this recipe. I boiled the kettle and I've placed 2 teaspoons of hot water in here. Now we want to put our instant coffee granules, 2 teaspoons. And then just stir to dissolve. And let cool. In a bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of butter. And this butter's been sitting at room temperature. To that, we're going to add 2/3 a cup of icing sugar. And we're going to sift it. And our coffee, which has cooled down by now. We're going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So that's 1 cup. Okay, so that's 2 cups of flour. And we're going to add our 1 cup of finely chopped hazelnuts. Now just mix it until well combined. Like the taste of the hazelnuts. Plus I found a large bag at Costco for a really good price. So as you can see, it's starting to form more of a dough now. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for half an hour to chill. Okay, the cookies have chilled for half an hour. We're going to roll small pieces of dough. We're going to roll them into 3-inch logs. I like to use parchment paper. Just work the dough a bit in between your hands. It might feel dry at first, but if you work it in a bit, it'll be just fine. And then shape them once you put them down on the baking sheet. And there's our last one. So this recipe will make approximately between 4 dozen to 4.5 dozen. I'm going to put them in a preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to use convection bake in the new oven, so I'm going to put mine in for 9 minutes. And what you want to see is until the edges start to brown. Now we're going to let them cool on the racks for a few minutes, and then we're going to transfer them over to the cooling racks. And here they are on the cooling racks cooling. Still got to get used to my new oven, but I think they turned out okay. Hi! Did you smell the cookies? Okay, so we're going to need 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. You can use the chocolate chips, or you can use these Baker's chocolate squares. And I've got water here in a double boiler. As you can see, see the chocolate is melting. We're going to take our cookies and dip the ends. And place them down on some wax paper or parchment paper. They're all dipped in chocolate, and I'm just going to let them set now. Now you can use any chocolate you like. You can use dark chocolate, white chocolate. I'm using semi-sweet. These coffee hazelnut cookies are so delicious and easy to make.